this video, we will show you how to reset Epson SX230 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download this resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, including Windows Real-Time Protection and the Tamper Protection if you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After you disable for a while your antivirus, then you can download this resetter, the link on comments. After you download this resetter file, you can extract the file by right-clicking on the file and select Extract All. Then click Extract button here. After that, open the resetter folder and run the adjustment programs. For the first time use, you need a password that you can see on the password.txt files here. Then you can run the adjustment program. Please click Accept here. Okay, little bit different with using another model printers. To enable the wash inkpad counter reset, you can just open this enable application, double click. After you double click the application, now you can drag here, okay, drag into this button like this. After that, sequential adjustment mode will appear. Okay, just click on this and click enable. After that, you can click sequential adjustment mode. Then select model name to Epson SX230 and also destination. Just click OK. In here, you can select wash inkpad AC and select replacement and click OK after that. In here, the main pad counter will showing. You can tick both and click check button. Then you can click initialization button. After the resetter works, you can immediately turn off your printer. Then you can turn back on your printer again. In here, you can click next and you can try to print test page. If you encounter error, you can try to moving your USB printer into another available port on your computers. Okay, if you are using common method like this, the wash inkpad counter reset will not open if you are using common method like another model. When you click accept and directly click particular adjustment mode, you can see the wash inkpad counter will not appear. Okay, so the method is open the enable and drag this text into this button like this. Then click sequential adjustment mode and click enable. Then you can see the main pad counter and the flattened pad counter will showing again. And if you have any question, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.